Hey, what's up guys? Borico, I'll be back at it again. Today I'm doing an oil change in my 1992 Honda Civic. Stay tuned and thanks for watching. Alright y'all, as y'all can see here, I got the car up in the air ready. It's ready to go, rock and roll. Already got the oil pan ready to catch the oil. And today we're only gonna need socket 17 and take the oil filter off. That's about it for today. And today we're gonna put Mobile 1 with the K&N filter. Gotta run it good. Alright y'all, all the oil drained already. I already put the drain plug right back in. Now we're taking the oil filter off. We're located right on top of the oil pan behind the motor, the block. We're gonna start on that right now. Alright y'all, oil filter out and in with the new K&N filter in there. We're ready to go. About to get on the road real soon here. Alright y'all, Mobile 1 is what I always put in my Honda Civic. I don't know if you guys prefer anything else, but this is just what I put in my Honda Civic. 5W30. Keeps your engine running like new. Tell me about it. Alright guys, we're only putting 3 quarts, a little bit over 3 quarts. It's supposed to be 3.2. We're just gonna pass 3 quarts by hair. Right now we're at 5, so we're gonna go down 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna leave these 2 quarts for later on when we run a little dry now. Now we're gonna pour down. Hopefully I don't miss the hole. Yep, there we go. Out with the old, in with the new. Love to see it. Well, I love to see it. They hate to see it. Alright, let's check it up. Where we at now? We are almost at 3 quarts now. So now we're just gonna put like a little hair. Should be done now. And that's the hair right there. Shoot. Maybe a little bit more. You know what? We're gonna bring the car down and we're gonna check her. Alright, let's check her, see how she's looking. Oh, looks like I filled it up right on the dot, guys. Perfect. First try. One hit wonder. Here we go. Alright, y'all. First start after the oil change. We're at 246,190 miles. Here we go. Moment of truth. Let's check her out. Everything's operating like it's supposed to. Sounds healthy to me. Little filter in there. Yep, there he is. Oil change on a 1992 Honda Civic. Trading my little Honda Civic for e46 BMW. Yeah, surprisingly, the BMW has only a selector rod issue. A Honda is everything's running. Sorry for the doors there. I got my doors in there. But other than that, stay tuned. We're about 30 minutes away now. I already got the heads up from the guy. He said to meet him at the tattoo shop. So that's where I'm headed now. I'm not sure if the car is there or not, but I'm guessing I'm picking him up. And from there, we're gonna go look at the car. And after